When you search for the best .22 rifle for the money, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to really find out what delivers and what just looks good, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Maya Ajan Compact Rifle Cleaning Kit. First up is the Maya Ajan Compact Rifle Gun Cleaning Kit, priced at just $11.99. What caught my attention was its comprehensive 13-piece set that covers everything from bore brushes to swabs. If you want a reliable, all-in-one cleaning kit that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The brass bore brush and chamber brush help keep your rifle in top condition, while the included cleaning rods can extend up to 30.7 inches, allowing you to reach hard-to-clean areas. Plus, it comes with a compact pouch for easy storage and transport. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Keeping your firearm clean ensures better performance and longevity, so you can spend more time shooting and less time worrying about maintenance. Now, some people mention that the plastic oil bottle didn't come filled with oil. Here's the thing though, it's a minor issue since you can easily fill it with your preferred gun oil. For most, it won't be a deal breaker, especially given the price and overall quality. This is perfect for you if you're a casual shooter looking for a budget-friendly cleaning solution, but skip this one if you need a kit with advanced tools and oils included. For $11.99, it really delivers great value. Now, if the lack of oil in the Maya Ajan kit bothers you, the next one might actually be a better fit with added conveniences. Product number 2, APCHYWELL Rifle Cleaning Kit. Next, we have the APCHYWELL Rifle Pistol Gun Cleaning Kit, which runs at $22.99. What drew me in was its professional-grade components, all neatly organized in a compact zippered case. If you want a cleaning kit that keeps everything tidy without compromising on quality, this could be a great choice. This kit includes a gun cleaning rope, brass brushes, and even a double-end nylon brush plus precision-machined brass rods measuring 32 inches in total. The gun cleaning rope makes quick cleanups a breeze, especially when you're short on time at the range. Here's why this matters for you. The ease of use can make cleaning less of a chore, allowing you to enjoy your shooting experience more. However, some users reported that the zipper case can be a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the most durable, the organization it provides is a huge plus, especially for those who want to keep their gear in one place. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a well-organized, comprehensive kit that covers all bases. However, skip this if you're looking for a kit that can endure rough handling. At $22.99, it's still a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list could save you even more time with its unique cleaning approach. Product number 3, Hops Bore Snake Cleaner. Now let's talk about the Hops Bore Snake, priced at $14.99. This one caught my eye because it offers a quick and easy cleaning solution that's perfect for busy shooters. If you need something that cuts down on cleaning time dramatically, this could be your go-to. The Bore Snake's design allows it to clean larger areas compared to standard patches, which means you can scrub down your barrel effectively without spending ages doing it. Given that the cleaning area is 160 times larger than a typical patch, this is a game changer when you want to clean and get back to shooting fast. Here's why this matters for you. Less time cleaning means more time enjoying your day at the range. However, some users mention that the Bore Snake doesn't fit well in every rifle model. Honestly, that can be a bit frustrating. But considering how quickly it cleans, many find the fit issues are worth the trade-off for the time saved. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent shooter who values efficiency, but skip this if you want something that fits every possible rifle. At $14.99, it offers excellent cleaning speed for the price. Now, if you're looking for precision sighting while also cleaning, the next product offers just that. Product number 4, TipFun Laser Bore Sighter. Coming in next is the TipFun LR Laser Bore Sighter, priced at $13.98. I was intrigued by its simplicity and effectiveness. If you want to save time and ammo while sighting in your rifle, this is definitely worth considering. This bore sighter is designed to fit directly into the barrel, providing an accurate zeroing system without wasting ammunition at the range. The Class IIIA laser helps you line up your sights quickly, which can be a real time saver when you're trying to get dialed in. Here, why this matters for you. The faster you can sight in your rifle, the more time you have to actually shoot. On the downside, some reviews pointed out that it can be tricky to get the laser aligned perfectly. I'll be real with you, this could be a deal breaker if you prefer precision over everything else. But for many, the convenience and time saved at the range outweigh that minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want precision sighting without the hassle of live fire tests, but skip it if you're really particular about alignment. For $13.98, it's a solid tool for those looking to streamline their setup. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which adds comfort to your shooting experience. Product number 5, Ruger Adjustable Sling. Finally, we have the Ruger by Allen Company Adjustable Rifle Sling priced at $24.99. What impressed me was its solid construction and the fact that it's specifically designed for the Ruger 1022. If you're hunting or shooting often, this sling is definitely worth checking out. This adjustable sling extends from 22 to a full 40 inches, letting you customize the fit for maximum comfort. The swivels are tested to hold up to 500 pounds, ensuring that your rifle stays securely attached. This matters because a reliable sling means you can move around freely while keeping your firearm safe and accessible during your outings. However, some users found that the non-slip feature could be a bit uncomfortable during extended use. Here's the thing though, for a lot of shooters, the trade-off for the security and adjustability is worth it, especially when you're out in the field. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable and reliable sling for your Ruger 1022, but skip it if you plan on long hikes where comfort is a priority. At $24.99, it offers great value for a well-made accessory. Now, let's wrap this all up and compare what we've covered. So to recap, we've looked at the Maya Ajan Compact Cleaning Kit, the APCHYWELL Rifle Kit, the Hops Bore Snake, the TipFun Laser Bore Sighter, and the Ruger Adjustable Sling. Each one has its own unique strengths tailored to different needs, whether it's cleaning efficiency, convenience, or comfort. Whatever your focus is, I hope this helps you make a more informed decision. Happy shooting!